Hi friends, I'm Emma. Today, let's draw some yummy ice cream treats for a hot summer day. Just thinking about ice cream makes me feel cooler already. Let's get started. First, I'm drawing a popsicle. At the top, there's a yummy topping. I wonder what flavor it is. Next is the popsicle's main body, and at the very bottom, there's a little wooden stick to hold it. Now let's draw another one, a cone ice cream. There's a cute little cherry on top. And just below that are layers of creamy cold ice cream. Of course, at the bottom, there's a delicious waffle cone. Doesn't it look tasty already? Now it's time to trace over the outlines so our drawing looks sharp and neat. A little outlining makes everything stand out so nicely. Alright, time to add some color. Brown. Let's start with the popsicle. I'll color the topping brown, which means it's chocolate, right? I love chocolate so much. Yellow. For the main part of the popsicle, I will use yellow and green. Maybe it's a fruity flavor like lemon and melon. Green. Then I'll color the wooden stick red so it pops out nicely, bright and colorful. Moving on to the ice cream cone. Red. The cherry on top will be bright red, super eye-catching. Pink. The top scoop of ice cream will be pink, which I think is strawberry flavor. So sweet and tasty. yellow. The scoop underneath will be yellow. Maybe it's mango. I really love mango.
Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse. The nurse takes the cow, the nurse takes the cow. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the nurse takes the cow. The cow takes the dog, the cow takes the dog. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog. The dog takes the cat, the dog takes the cat. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the dog takes the cat. The cat takes the mouse, the cat takes the mouse. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cat takes the mouse. The mouse takes the cheese, the mouse takes the cheese. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone, the cheese stands alone. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone.
Let's add some sprinkle toppings too. They always make ice cream more fun. Green. I'll color the sprinkles green and blue to make it look extra fun and happy. Blue. Orange. Finally, the waffle cone gets a nice orange color, just like the real thing. Don't these two ice creams look adorable and delicious? I really enjoyed drawing them today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you had fun drawing with me. I can't wait to draw more tasty and cute things together soon. See you again in the next video.